Yo, 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 forget my human half. I'm Alex Murphy killing crew and staff, like Seinfeld Steiner giving motherfucking human rap. You knew in that, rewinding the beats. I'm paramedic during genocide, reviving the streets. I ride over feats, nobody wanna feature with Mike. I'm calling you my fucking student like a teacher at night. She's preaching the right. Damn, the system is fucked. Somewhere in a private school of fucking dicks getting sucked. Don't listen to subs, listen to words mixed in a song. For some, life is a freedom, vice versa prison for some. You either missing a soul or try to handle me dead. Instead of taking care of sperm like a family man, I'm deadlier when Blanco rips on a cut. I will attack like in the 90s, fucking Crips on a blood, tipsy on bud. Nah, there's a statement within. Unlike you motherfucking faggots, I'll be straight when I sin. I'll fucking smash every single fucking pussy you fondle it. Crash into every fucking booth, remodel it. I'm blasting you still, fuck manners, I'm asking for kill. Blankets more bananas than potassium pill. I'm on your neck like a gold piece. You better go please or hold these nuts like a fucking squirrel at ease. Hurl, release, cause you cannot match or stop me. I'm a copy of you, except when you're not me. I'm firm and I don't fetch. Michelle Tito vermin eating mesh. I'm feeling Germanish, my shit is burning human flesh. You fucking suckers passing briars on lip. I wouldn't even suck a fucking pacifier in the crib. A firelit piss, my motherfucking home when I write. I ain't asking kids to touch it like a pope with his pipe. I wrote this at night, holding on to master his flow. I can give up 28 of you like passing a no. You be touching on a head of dude like Lazarus glow, and you swell up through the fucking dome like cancerous growth. Grass when I grow, slowly creep up past me the foe. Abusing your originalities like harassing a clone. Pass me the chrome, and I ain't talking about Google maggot. You mess up every time you fucking back like brutal faggot. Crude when I crack it cause I reach for the brain. I ain't dominatrix acting but I'll beat you to pain. I'll fucking smash every single fucking pussy you fondle it. Crash into every fucking booth, remodel it. I'm blasting you still, fuck manners, I'm asking for kill. Blankets more bananas than potassium pill. I'm on your neck like a gold piece. You better go please or hold these nuts like a fucking squirrel at ease. Hurl, release, cause you cannot match or stop me. I'm a copy